I'm here today at the Winter Classic Mopar swap meet. I decided this year I'm going to try and get around to some different shows I've not been to before, some shows I haven't been to in a while. So this was the first one I found to kick off the year. So I'm here in Columbus, Ohio at the Ohio State Fairgrounds and Expo Center. And we're going to check out this Winter Classic swap meet and see what this is all about. Hopefully this will be a good show and I can pick up that one last part that I need for my 68 that AMD was out of stock on when I went there. So follow me as we go on inside and check out the show. So far so good. The bigger early B-body suppliers is here. Jim Kramer at Kramer's Specialties. just finished my walk inside the Winter Classic Mopar Swap Meet here in Columbus, Ohio. Not a very big show, but still some good quality parts here. A lot of used parts, a few vendors with some new stuff. I couldn't find the trunk extension I needed for my car, but I did manage to pick up a new sending unit for my fuel tank, so maybe my gauge will start working again. Was it worth the drive? Well, maybe not. But you don't know until you come to these things what you're going to find until you get here. So that's what this year is going to be about, going to some new shows, revisiting some older shows that I haven't been to. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to bring you along to probably about every show I try and get to this year, and show you the different Mopar events that go on throughout the southeast and up into Pennsylvania. I plan on hitting the Carlisle Chrysler show this year. I haven't been there in about 10 or 12 years, so I'm going to get to see everybody up there again. Check out that show. That's always a good show to go to. Again, leave me some comments. Comment section, hit that like button. Share this video with your friends. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'm starting to gain some ground on my subs. I'm up to 360 subs now, so we're getting there. Sooner or later we'll get to 1,000 and maybe we can get monetized. But that's gonna be it for this show. I'm gonna go look around the Columbus area and see what there is to do here. Thanks again.